Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and today, quick video on what's in my bag. I mean, what I usually use and what I usually travel with. And I will start to say that I'm sorry because I'm doing this what's in my bag on my desk, and it's not that big. I mean, it is big, but the camera setup, it is pretty hard to do in my room because it is very small. So we have to keep this, and I'm hoping that it will be okay anyway. So let's start right on. And I don't know if you're interested into that, but I'm doing it just to let you know what I use the most when I go around, when I'm traveling, and when I usually go and shoot something. So this is pretty much my setup. It's very small, very simple, and I still want to keep it like that because I don't like to travel like with heavy stuff and a lot of stuff. So I will stick to simple stuff and very easy setup. So let's start with the bag. And actually this is an Amazon basic bag, and I have it now since like a lot of years. Really, it's like 6 or 7 years, and it's still in very good condition. Actually, for the price that it costs, this bag, it is really awesome. It is not waterproof if you're interested into that, but I've bring this bag under rain condition, and the inside stayed like very dry, and so you don't have to worry that much about getting wet. But of course, if you are just going under pouring water and pouring rain, so the inside will get wet anyway. This was just a side note. So as I was saying, this is the Amazon basic bag, and actually this is the smaller one. So I think the cheaper one that you can get on Amazon, and probably I will leave the link in the description down below. And also, I just wanted to say that I want to change this bag with the, I don't know if you follow, probably you do, Peter McKinnon. And so he did a new small bag, we can say, in collaboration with Nomadic bag. And that bag, it is very cool, it is very good. It has pretty much anything that I need. But unfortunately, I live in Italy, and for now they don't ship in Italy. And so we have to wait because actually my girlfriend just thought about gifting to me that bag, but actually she just found out that they don't ship in Italy. So that's a bad news for me, and I'm waiting for a good bag like that to just change mine because I don't have the necessity, we can say, to change this bag. So let's see what's inside. So in the first pocket right here, I just keep it very clear, and we have like some napkins, you know, in any cases, and we have an ND filter, and this is a variable one from Gobi. This one, actually, when I bought this filter, they actually said that for every filter that you buy, they will plant just one tree in the forest. So pretty awesome for them. And I just decided to buy a variable filter because, as I said before, I don't like to carry around too much stuff. So a variable one, it is a good choice. And you can see it right here. I don't know if you can see it, that it is variable. Yes, you can see that it can get darker and then lighter. So it is very cool, very good, very well made actually. And also I will leave the link down in the description if you're interested too. So let's leave this one right here. Then in the second pocket right here, we just have a small notebook to just write some notes, and you know, just in case you don't have like a phone or you just like to write with the paper and pen. Then in this other small pocket right here, we have some headphones, some wireless headphones, and I have this one from Samsung. These are the Buds Pro, so the latest one that Samsung has. I don't usually use that that much, but I just carry them just in case if I need those. Then in the main pocket, we can say that you can just modify the layout of this bag, of course. These are just Velcro things, so you can just stick it on and you just can remove those things. And what do we have? This is the main space right here that usually I have it for this camera that it is recording right now, because I'm not like those famous YouTuber that has like multiple cameras. So I just have one, so it is recording right now. And probably I will put a clip with a phone of my camera just to show you how it is. Here we have some cables. We have like a phone charger that it can charge also some laptops, because it is 65 watt charger and it is very good. Right here we have the camera charger, so the battery charger for the camera. So don't mind because it is very messy, because if I usually take the bag, I'm usually working like fast, and so I don't usually keep that clean and simple, this bag. So we have also another USB-C cable right here. You can see that this is the USB-C cable for the camera. I don't know if you can see that, but it is very thick because of the camera, so it doesn't bend a lot. And for now, that's it right here. Let's put all this stuff in there. Don't mind how I put it, because this is the bad way to put this stuff right here. Then right here you can see this is the Dji Mini 2 remote, and I'll keep it right here. It just fits very well. And right here, of course, we have the Mini 2. I think this is one of the best drones that you can buy right now. And actually on this one I will do like another video just to explain why you have to buy this drone, because it is very useful for pretty much anyone who likes to record some clips in the air, and actually someone who likes flying drones actually. So we just put it in there, and then after this right here we have nothing more. As I said, I'm just keeping this setup very clean. Right here I have like a lot of other cables. I have USB-C, USB mini, USB micro, all of those kind of stuff, and also some USB pens. And yeah, I think that is it. And actually, other than this stuff, when I'm going around, I will always bring some water, and I have like a normal thermic water bottle. It is working very good because it will keep like any beverage like cold or hot as you wish. Very cool. You can find it pretty much anywhere in any shop, or maybe Amazon. If you want, I will put the link down below. And then of course, other than this stuff, I have my phone, and right now I am using the Xiaomi Mi 11 because this was since like 3 or 4 months my main device, and I found myself very good with this phone. It has pretty much anything that I need, and so this is my main phone. Very useful for what I need, and it actually shoots great videos. So if I have to include like some clips with my camera, I will shoot also with my phone, because it is very much handy to just bring your phone up and just start recording. And so this phone does it very good. Also, it does pretty decent photo, so I like how it is. And then actually, other than my phone, we have of course a tripod that it is keeping my camera up right now. So I will just record some footage of my tripod because it is working, we can say, right now. So I will just use my phone, as I said, to just include some tripod footage, so you can see it right now. And it is a Manfrotto one, so very good, very sturdy. And I like this one, also gifted me by my girlfriend, yes, because she is providing a lot of stuff that you see right here, and yes, because she is very supporting of my job. So, and other than my tripod, I have also Steadicam. I usually don't use like stabilizer because I usually shoot handheld for my works, and I have a Steadicam, like an older one, so a manual one. It is working very good. It is from Newer. I don't know if you are interested to that. I will leave the link in the description also. I think it is pretty much it because I don't use pretty much anything else when I'm going to shoot anything. And so also what I wanted to tell you is, if you want, or if you are interested in any case to my camera, actually, because it's a little bit older, but it still shoots like great footage and it's doing pretty much decent photos. So if you are interested to a mini review after all those years, of that camera, or maybe in any other stuff with my camera, just let me know down below in the comments, because I will be very happy to do that actually. And either way, I think that is it. So if you like this video, just hit a like button down below because it's free. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed, just consider doing it right now, because it will help this channel very much, and it will be very much appreciated, of course. And I think I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.